We're Kristen and Sam, and we're spending 17 days all aboard the Island Princess for an Icelandic cruise. After exploring a cute town in the West Fjords, we made our way up north to Iceland's second largest city. Today we made a stop in Akureyri. They call this the capital of the north. We booked a tour through Viator. I'll put a link below if you like this tour, and let's go. We've arrived to our first stop, and oh my gosh, this waterfall is massive. It's called Godafoss, one of the most popular in Iceland. We're surrounded by all these like volcanic fields, and then all of a sudden, Iceland converted into Christianity. They were pagan before, and they grabbed all their old pagan tokens of the gods and they threw them into the waterfall, hence why it's called Godafoss.
Or waterfall of the gods.
You can see there's so many people, and there's so many little like hiking trails that you can take around the waterfall. It's beautiful. So from Akureyri, the drive was like 30-45 minutes. Godafoss also has a cafe. Here's our little tour bus, Sprinter van. We're gonna be headed to lunch and a museum. We'll see how it goes. This is amazing. Oh, hi. I love him. Hey. Hello. Hello. We stopped at this old house, and there's a church over there. This is how the Iceland people used to live. This is what their houses used to look like. I wonder if this is used to like help regulate the temperature. God, it's crazy. They even have windows like in the side of the house around the grass and stuff. So it says it's an ancient manor farm. So we get to go in one of these, see what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Wow.
They weren't very tall people, were they?
No, it's like easily touch it. So amazing. This is what they wore. Wow. So this house was built in the 1800s, the specific one, and she said it was rebuilt over time. We came down this staircase. There's a kitchen. It's like we're in this basement. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It just goes on and on and on.
It gets out.
There's another room here. Imagine living in this. The floors are just all mud and rocks and whatever this material is. A dining room. I wonder if these were like multi-generational. I feel like I'm in a movie set or something. But look at the view of this window. Like, imagine having a house with this view. It's crazy. We don't have a guide, but there's these little descriptions in each room that tells you what happened.
People bathed in this room?
Yeah. Well, that's laundry.
People bathed on average 2 times a year.
We're in a geothermal spring here in Iceland. How cool is that? It's very different though. This place is called Forest Lagoon, and it kind of overlooks the beautiful mountains, and you can see the town like super close to here. You would never know it's here. To come in, you had to like shower off and
naked.
get all naked get all the stuff off of you, whatever you had on for the day, and you know, come through the shower into this. They have a water fountain. Stay hydrated. I got the Forest Lagoon special at the bar here. That's so cool. We finally got back on the ship and we're cuddling with blankets, watching the view, and we're gonna sail away pretty soon.